Hi guys, welcome to another daily Bitcoin review. Today I want to talk about the Bitcoin because it really looks super scary. So I'm going to use the technical analysis and show you what is going on exactly and what you need to know before you make some financial decision or something like that. Just this is my opinion. This is my trading system. This is how I am acting. That everything what I'm saying over here, I do it by myself with my money. So and with my capital. So basically, if you want to know where is the Bitcoin right now and you don't use any trading system, this video will be really useful for you. So but remember that you need to watch this video till the end, because the technical analysis is something what you need to hear from the beginning to the end, that this information comes to you fully. So let's go to the charts and let's break down the Bitcoin. And one more thing what I want to mention, that in trading I'm using the complex approach and minimum 4 or 5 conditions should to match before I enter in my position, and this is really important. So basically what it looks like really scary is on the weekly time frame we are forming. Let me break down and let me show you this kind of candle. This candle is extreme candle, sector is 3-3. It means when someone push the price up, right, and someone disagreeing and push the price down, right. Let me turn on the volumes. And yeah, and volumes is telling us the same, that there is more volumes than in the previous one, right. I was waiting that candle yesterday. I was talking about that it most likely it will close in extreme situation, right, extreme position. So it's this candle is 3-3. It has more volumes than the previous one. So basically the price is squeezing in some kind of the beginning of the beginning of the opening that candle. So this is the kind of confirmation, the bearish confirmation. And if you check before how it acts, these extreme candles over here, you are seeing the extreme candle, the sector is 1-1. This is a bullish candle. You are seeing that it has more volumes than the previous candle, and we saw the massive pump, right. Again, we are forming some kind of a lot of extreme candle on a weekly time frame, right. And as higher the time frame, as more this pattern will react and will follow its own way. So basically here you are seeing a lot of extreme candles, and again we saw some kind of correction. Again we are seeing some kind of extreme candle, but this is not yeah, the volumes doesn't follow it, but still if you break down it on the smaller time frame, you will see there is on a daily time frame some extreme candles. And again we are seeing we saw that candle on the 31,800. We saw many extreme candles, and this extreme candle which one I was talking about in the previous videos several weeks ago, I said that this is already the top most likely, because such kind of candles is forming on the top, and especially it matched with the strongest resistance in the Bitcoin, right. So and again we saw some kind of downtrend, and right now we formed the strongest candle because it really is huge. It has huge shadow. The body in the third sector, volumes more than in the previous one, so price again squeezing up, someone disagreeing with the continuation of this pump, right, and continuation of this pump, someone is disagreeing and pushing the price down, right. So this is really strong condition to open some short positions. So today in the morning I gave in my Telegram club, which the link in description below, it's all for free for now, and the people who is entering right now, it will be forever for you for free. So in this Telegram club I gave the signal and I gave the clear my analysis. If you are interested about more detailed about that, what I was mean in a small time frame, the bigger time frame, you're welcome to enter the Telegram club and check my last post, which one I posted over here. So basically I did the same analysis which one I was talking about right now. I did it in our Telegram club. So basically, yeah, I gave on the higher time frame I gave the short signal, on the smaller time frame as well I gave this short, because right now markets look super scary. So scary about the longs, and something is massive gonna happen, and gonna happen really downtrend and not uptrend, because uptrend I think we already touched it. So let's try to break down it by waves right now, and let's see our main target and why it's scary. I mean, scary is because of these candles, but on the higher time frame we were expecting for this scenario already a long time. So if we take a waves here, you can see wave 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 3 confirms with a splash of volumes. Wave 4 confirms with divergence between price and volumes, plus is a clear structure ABC inside, which waves as well. If you're going to break down, each wave has harmonious counting of the waves inside. So, and plus if you take a Fibonacci as well, as a condition you put on the third wave beginning and end of the third wave, and you are seeing the levels for wave 4 is 0.5, 0.6. So we touched that levels twice. We saw some kind of reaction from that one. So basically 0.6, 0.5 reacts are really good. So it means these levels plus 0.5, 0.6, if we mark that levels with rectangle, right, and we are seeing that it matched with the strongest resistance in the history of the Bitcoin, because if you check such kind of resistance we never had. And this is really strong resistance, horizontal resistance. So, and most likely we cannot break it just after the first retest it, right? For my opinion, we are in the beginning of the wave 5. If we take a Fibonacci and check the levels for wave 5, we put on the beginning of the wave 1, end of the wave 3, end of the wave 4, and the levels for wave 5 is around 0.5, no, 0.6. 0.6 is the level for wave 5. So it's around 11,800. Let's mark that level so that you can notice in your kind of trending view and mark it as a main target. What does it mean main target, and how to react on our this scenario, what happens over there? First of all, main target doesn't mean it's panacea, and for sure it will be, because the Fibonacci's and waves is just a condition. It doesn't mean that it will be like for sure like this, but most likely it will be like that. So this is like kind of our trend, which trend we are following, right? And plus we are look at what is going on inside. So right now what we are seeing, we shorted the market on the zone of high attention of end of the wave 4. By Fibonacci, it gave us all confirmations to open those shorts, and we saw that reaction. So what time we're gonna close that position? First of all, our main target is of course $12,000. So basically our full position will be closed on $12,000. But of course I'm closing it step by step. So first our target is 19,500. Second target our is around $16,000, and my last take profit is gonna take around like 12,000 K. From those levels I will take my full profit if we will go. But because it's not panacea and the wave 5 could be the trunk, we should to follow what the market is telling us. So as we will retest some important levels, after we will see the reaction of the volumes, reaction of all other confirmations, and if there will be some suspicions or something like a tricky situation, I will notice you in my Telegram club, and we will close the position if the market tells us so. So what I want to see for invalidation of this scenario, first of all, I want to see the volumes. If there will be more volumes than in the third wave, this is most likely is confirmation that there is the wave 5 happened trunked, right? So, but before it happens, everything goes harmoniously. So we retest the $25,000 over here, right? And we didn't see twice even we retest, right? And there wasn't some significant crazy volumes to say that, oh, that is a reversal level. No, I cannot say that. So this is why our next target, so it means, what does it mean? It gives us green light to continue our shorts, right? So this is why I gave on the smaller time frame, on swing perspective, and any other positions, I gave the short signals, because we have all moral rights today to say that $25,000 is not reversal. This is not looks like reversal. This is, we had like some pump, of course, and straightly we saw some kind of rejection, and after rejection, of course, we will continue most likely downtrend. And after we will retest the next levels, and because we have all moral rights to trade it until and not close our position and not get nervous about that, because we didn't see anything, right? Something scary. We didn't break some important levels or something like that. So basically we have confirmation to continue to short the market. So we are the shorting the market, and our first target where I'm expecting splash of volumes gonna be on 19,500. I don't know what kind of volumes it will be there, but most likely on that levels people will be interesting about the Bitcoin. But of course on the $30,000, when there is the crazy resistance, no one wanna buy Bitcoin and even to sell Bitcoin. So This is why we are not seeing any kind of volumes and anything. So our target is 12K, our first take profit 19,000, 20,000, right? And 16,000. And my last take profit is $12,000. On the smaller time frame, on a 5-hour time frame, if we break down, again, we had some kind of impulse downtrend. We accumulate late shorts. We wash them out, as I said in the previous videos. We open here even short positions, right? Everyone was scared, but I did say, I mean, I will open right now that, and I will show you exactly where I say that. I say that exactly such kind of situation. So here, what a time to be alive. This is the moment right now when you must to put your fear in a fucking shelter and do correct moves. And why? Because this is really obvious picture. I mean, I understand that for some people it's just a reaction or some pump, right? But no, they have a lot of confirmation that there is the really good time to open the short. So this is why I was really confident. I trust my system. I trust what I believe and what I trade and what consistently brings for me money. So this is why I don't have any fear in that situation, and this is why I opened trades in short. And the people who wasn't kind of scared also did profits from there. So after this squeeze up, what is going on? We came back to this accumulation, and because I mean you can wash out those people many times. So nothing is like we can accumulate here again and again wash out those guys, I mean, on the previous top over here. So most likely I'm expecting such kind of scenario that we again accumulate these people who here the bulls bet get trapped right over here, and the people who is accumulating the shorts right now, again they are a little late. So most likely they are putting their stop losses close to these 26,000, right around that one. So this is why I'm expecting some squeeze up last time and continuation the downtrend, very possible. Or of course it's also we can see that price after this, if we can deep dive inside of this one, price is squeezing up. After this impulse happened, the price again squeezing up and forming some kind of triangle. I do not trade the patterns, actually. I don't like this, but I just keep in mind. So basically when I see the triangle, actually I have more that it will have some kind of wedge. Wedge, it means like, for example, impulse happened from here, we are squeezing, right? And our expectation that there will be continuation of this trend, right? But most likely because the old brokers and the whales and who has more money than you have, they know where you put the stop losses, so they will use theirs active, they use theirs money, they will push the price. So this is the, I mean, wave 4, when the brokers and manipulators have enough money, enough Bitcoin to push the price another side to wash your stop losses, and after washing out the continuation of the trend. This is most likely scenario where how on the Bitcoin is acting, because Bitcoin is really manipulative active. So this is why you need to be careful about that. So what I'm expecting last squeeze up and after continuation to break the strongest resistance which one we have right now, and our main target is around $23,000 $22,000. This is where I'm expecting the first stop. First stop doesn't mean that I'm gonna close my short positions or something like that. Maybe scalp positions I will short, I will close, but I will let you know about in my videos or in the Telegram club, because there I will react more faster. So if you like my analysis, if you like how I analyze the market, and you like my trading system, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel, enter my Telegram club, which is all for free right now, and I do it all for free for you guys. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section or just DM me on the Telegram club, in the Telegram, not club, just DM me. So I will try to answer fully everything what I know. So the people who is subscribing right now, thank you so much for you guys, for those likes, for those words which one you are telling me. Thank you so much. It motivates me a lot, and it gives me some motivation to make the videos every single day. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.